Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going Khecheopalri Lake in the west side of Sikkim. We are here in the dense jungle with Mr. Vinod. We have just started our journey.
Look at that waterfall, and here water has swept away the road, and this road is very dangerous. Most of the road here in the Sikkim is so rough. It's too hard to travel and go to beautiful places, and it always says that if you want something, then you have to give. That's the main point. And in Sikkim you will find so many waterfalls, even you can't count it. There are no names also, and some waterfalls they have names and they are very famous, and some are not. You will find a lot, and this waterfall don't have a name too. And here this is Kanchenjunga Waterfall, and this Kanchenjunga waterfall was not known to people and remained untouched till the 90s. It only came into the limelight when a local tour operator named Bhutia accidentally discovered it. Today this spot became one of the leading tourist spots in the west side of the city. Oh my god, look at the view here. And if you ever come to Sikkim, please don't forget to visit this Kanchenjunga waterfall. This is very famous, guys, very famous.
So everyone, we just reached here at Khecheopalri Lake. So we just ordered our lunch noodles. So we'll eat our lunch and we will explore Khecheopalri Lake, guys. So our lunch has just arrived. This is my Wai noodles, and this is I don't know, Thukpa. Thukpa means noodles, hill noodles. So guys, now we just finished our lunch, so now we are entering to the gate of Khecheopalri Lake. Let's go in. Okay. And these are the stalls. Fish feet for rupees 50 raisa. 50, and the stuff like bracelets, tomba, frying, locals, and net incense. This is the Khecheopalri Lake, guys. Actually, guys, Khecheopalri Lake is the religious place of Buddhism. Wishing lake, if you wish something, then it will be fulfilled. This is the religious place, guys. Khecheopalri Lake, my first time, and Vinod's first time too. So here you can see some fishes also.
Grass cup.
Can't see clearly because the water is a bit darker. The view here is so amazing. You can see here the pagodas. There are so many pagodas over there also. We'll see on the way. Now we are going to the lake side and check out the view there, okay? And this side you can see the monastery institute. So this is the west side of the Sikkim, the other state. We are in the other state of India. Another pagoda and another human being. So you can see the dense jungle also here, eco-friendly. No paper, no plastics. Mani pe me hu the Buddhist Buddhist mantras, and I don't know what is this. And this is the Buddhist religious flag. So now we are on the way to Khecheopalri Lake. I don't know how it is. This is our first time here in Khecheopalri Lake. Very nice and clean area. Finally we reach here in Khecheopalri Lake after 5 hours from Jorthang. So from the south part of Sikkim. You can check out the front view of Khecheopalri Lake. You can see the Sangye, the Buddhist god statues, the stone pagodas, monasteries and everything, and the lake area. So let's see the view. This is the stone pagoda. Buddhist fire here. They will do religious fire here, guys. I don't know much, no information. And the monasteries. And the Sangye Buddhist statue here. The statue here. The statue. So this is the view, guys, of Khecheopalri Lake. Some scriptures here and Tibetan language. I will show you the triangle shape of the ash. Buddhist people are burned, and their burned ashes are made in triangle shape, and they will keep here for the next transmigration. Rocky way, bit tougher for the new people to walk here, but for us it's normal, guys. This is the lake, and you can see here this green leafy thing is called, maybe they are called as the medicine for itchy skins and all. I don't know. This is the raw view of Khecheopalri Lake. It's so peaceful, guys. You can see so many flags on the back side, and check out the view of this place. It's so dense. I think these flags are in the name of dead Buddhist people. like if the people, Buddhist people will die, then they will keep the flag, 108 flag on their names. I guess this is the same one. I am Buddhist before. I know little bit knowledge about this, that's why I'm saying. I think this is the view of Khecheopalri. I see the small viewpoint up there in the hills, so we are not going there because maybe it's too far for us and the time is running too fast. So guys, this is the vlog of Khecheopalri. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and if you like my vlog, do like, subscribe and share. See you